please be sure that you have your phonics worksheet number 116. Please be sure your name is up at the top. We're going to start with number 1. I'm going to say a sound and I want you to put the letter or letters that can make that sound. Number 1, S. Number 2, ah. Number 3, Number 4, or. Number 5, I. Number 6, qua. Number 7, oi. Number 8, e. Number 9, k. Number 10, r. Let's practice spelling words. Put your finger by number 11. Spell the word draw. Put your finger by number 12. Spell the word saw. Echo these words and listen for the sound in the final position. Patch, catch, itch. What sound do you hear in the final position? There are 3 letters making the ch sound. Look at these words and see if you can tell me what these letters are. What is making the ch sound? Good job, TCH. How many sounds do you hear? You're right, just 1. How many letters are making that sound? 3. Who remembers what we call this? Good job, we call it a trigraph. TCH is a trigraph because it has 3 letters that come together to make one sound. How do we code trigraphs? Good job, we underline them. So today we're going to be talking about the ch sound. The letter T doesn't make a sound. How should we code it? Good job, we'll cross it out. Does this trigraph make a vowel sound or a consonant sound? Good job, it is a consonant sound because it begins with a consonant letter. Do these words need any other coding? You are right, they do. First, let's look at the word patch. What other coding does the word patch need? Good job. We need a breve above the A because it is a short vowel. That is it for the word patch. Let's look at the next word. The next word is catch. What do we need to do to the letter catch? Good job. We need a breve above the A again on catch. Also, if you notice, there's an obvious coding, and that is the C. We need a K back because it makes the K sound. We are now done with the word catch. Let's look at the word itch. How else do we need to code the word itch? Good job. We need a brief above the letter I because it is a short vowel sound. Let's talk about spelling the ch sound. In the initial or beginning and medial or middle positions, we spell the ch sound with a digraph CH. In the final position, ch can be spelled with TCH or CH. Here we see two words, one that has the ch in the medial, or in the initial position, and ch in the medial position. Here we see words that have ch in the final position. How is ch spelled with these words? That's right, it's TCH. It's a trigraph. So what makes these words different? What kind of vowel comes before the TCH in each of these words? You're right, it's a short vowel. TCH almost always comes after a short vowel. Now, let's look at these words. How is CH spelled here? Good job, with a digraph CH. Digraph meaning there are only two letters to make the one sound. We still underline digraphs just like we do trigraphs. What comes before the digraph CH in these words? In bunch, there's a consonant. In pouch, there's a diphthong. In march, there's a combination. So that makes these different. So we put a CH instead of a TCH. This makes our spelling rule. TCH comes after a short vowel. CH is after anything else. When we see this card, our new keyword for this trigraph, TCH, ends with ch. It is patch. Get out your worksheet and put your finger by number 13. Please write the trigraph that makes the ch sound. It is on the board right now, and it is up at the top of your paper. Please point to number 14. Let's spell the word catch. Please point to number 15. Please spell the word itch. Please point to number 16 and spell the word matches. Now, 17 through 26, you are going to code. Please be careful when you code. Remember, when we are coding, we first of all look for any obvious coding. Then we look for vowels. That is because we are looking to see if it has more than one syllable. If the word does have more than one syllable, then you need to be able to find your vowels and consonants and draw your line where the syllable should go. Please remember to be using your coding that we learned today for the trigraph TCH. On the back, don't forget to read the paragraphs before answering all the questions. If you come to a word you do not know, please code it to help you figure it out.